Senpai TS7 car Android player. How to set the Canbus setting. Full menu, setting, factory, a password 8888. Confirm. The first one, the model choose. Okay, from the CAN box, you have to check for your the socket, your CAN bus. The brand, a sample for Simple Soft. Okay, for Honda Civic 2012, and click for the public. You will get to online to do the setting for the CAN bus. Before that, you have to connect the Wi-Fi. Scroll it down, press for the Wi-Fi. You have to connect for the Wi-Fi for the CAN bus setting. Press for the public, will save for the CAN bus. Thank you. This is Senpai TS7 CAN bus setting.